AZ specializes in designing and manufacturing customized grinding machines tailored to the unique challenges of complex workpieces across various industries. With over 70 years of experience, we provide comprehensive grinding solutions for critical components in aerospace, automotive, marine, energy, and oil and gas sectors. Our recent focus lies in developing modular and customizable grinding solutions for the maintenance, repair, and overhaul of numerous aeronautical components, particularly landing gear for both civilian and defense aircraft. We collaborate with prestigious aerospace manufacturers to deliver integrated grinding solutions encompassing external, internal, orbital grinding, conical profiles, threads, and superfinishing. Our machines are designed to effectively grind all types of coatings, including HVOF tungsten carbide, chrome, and plating. We meticulously select each strategic machine component and process parameter, leveraging our long-standing relationships with trusted suppliers and adhering to OEM requirements. Our components are rigorously tested by leading aerospace brands. Utilizing 3D scanning technology, we accurately redesign workpieces and develop optimal driving and clamping systems for the specific grinding process. Our engineers meticulously simulate and study the entire grinding process to provide customers with the most effective and efficient solution for their production needs.